the average person, the biggest investment they'll ever make is their home. From me, you guys, like from normal people purchasing land that they live on, and you know where it's at. That'll never change.
I mean, surveying is one of the oldest professions. It's the backbone of all construction. It's it starts with a simple property owner who wants to know where their boundary lines are. If they're installing a fence or building a new home, it's essential to knowing where their boundaries are. You'll never not need a surveyor in boots on the ground doing that field work that's essential to boundary location.
I've been doing this for 44 years, and no 2 days have ever been the same.
One of the fun things about surveying that I've really always loved myself is there's so many aspects to it. It's not just one thing. It's not just being out and using a measuring tape to measure everything. There's technology involved. There's nature involved. And then there's also math involved. There's sometimes landscaping involved. Sometimes there's construction involved. It's such a varied discipline that borrows from so many different other things. It's just such a fun job to do. I've been doing it for 20 years and I could not imagine myself doing anything else.
There's so much more to offer from a land surveying perspective now than there was, say 30, 40 years ago. The technology has advanced so rapidly, from LiDAR surveying, aerial mapping, manned aircraft, unmanned aircraft systems, hydrographic surveying. I mean, it's really an open book on what you want to do with your life when you get into surveying.
I have to say that one of the most refreshing things about teaching students is they're still in awe of the whole surveying. This is the future of our business, and I'm helping them to get there.
I'd like to give a big thank you to all the surveyors out there, the older surveyors that paved the way, the younger surveyors that are using new technology to advance our profession. Thank you to all of you out there. Be safe in your work.